7:30 on February 26th, a Friday, I believe, and we are on a beam reach on Lil Dinghy. We'll try to get some good footage. There's the standing lug rig sail, the boom down below, the yard above, and the mast vertically. It's called a halyard, the line that hauls the sail up because it hauls the yard. And now there's Captain Rhett at the tiller. Yours truly. And now we'll take a look around at where we're sailing. A little view of the stern wake and the rudder doing their job. And now we'll try to go below decks, as they say in the reality TV show. That is Lil Dinghy from all sides.